Yo, what is up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Now today I'm going to be installing a spoon N1 exhaust on my 06 Acura RSX Type S. I've been waiting for this day to come since I bought my car, and this is my first mod on my 06 Acura RSX Type S, and I'm super excited to work on it. And yeah, previous owner has done like previous modification, like under here I actually got a Buddy Club Racing coilover on this RSX. So that's the Buddy Club Racing coilover right there, and also the K-Tune camber kit. So yeah, currently I have stock headers, stock exhaust, stock pretty much everything that I know so far. The previous owner did that I know of is the ram air intake and also the throttle body. I was really impressed. This cart beat the STI and also Infiniti G37 with 60 roll. So yeah, and I feel like the previous owner done a high lift cams on this thing. I feel like, I don't know, high lift cam springs maybe, I don't know. I really don't know what he did. So alright guys, so here it is. Here is the stock exhaust right here that I'm gonna be removing today. Oh my goodness, that looks so stocky. Then I'm gonna be replacing with this beautiful spoon N1 exhaust. Oh my goodness, can we just appreciate this thing? There you go. Oh my goodness, that welding job is just amazing, man. Wow. I don't think I have done a toolbox tour here, but yeah, so this is the type of stuff that I got. A bunch of WD-40 and then brake cleaner and etc. And yeah, so these are all my sockets. As you guys can see, next drill we got the wrenches, all the hose. So yep. And then next one, we got some pliers, needle nose, flathead Phillips. And then next one, we go with a bunch of stuff like the filter cups and extent, like a freaking modifier or shit. And the torque wrench. And of course the dead blow hammers and heat gun. And that's an air impact gun. I really love this Matco air impact gun. I really need an air tank in my house for sure, so yeah. So this is kind of like the starter pack tool. I will say, yeah, there's more coming in the future, so for sure. Alright, now enough of me talking. Let's take out the old exhaust and install my new spoon N1 exhaust. So I know it's really dark underneath here, but this should be fairly easy job, and you guys can really figure this out really easy. So you're going to be taking off these two bolts right here, and this is 12mm socket both here, so it should be really easy. So yeah, and other than that, the hanger clip right there, the rubber clip, that's connected. Focus, come on camera, there you go, right there, and the same on the other side. So yeah, I'm gonna be using electric drill gun here. Oh yeah, that was super easy. One out, just like that. That's a tight space, but that should come out soon. And second one's out. Wow, that was fast. These guys can be stuck sometime actually, these rubber hanger part. So the easy way to take those off, if you spray some with soapy water, sometimes that works. So try it out if you're stuck. So yeah. Right, so I got the driver's side off. One side, one more to go, and this whole thing should come out. Nice. God, come off. There you go. Oh boy. Now that's out. Oh. It's heavy. Not really, just stuck. Ah, there you go. Alright, so I got the old exhaust out. Wow, look how thick this thing is compared to that spoon N1 exhaust. My goodness, guys. Wow. I mean, it's about same length and everything, just the tip parts. The spoon N1 exhaust tip part's a little bit more longer, so it's probably gonna stick out just a little bit. I mean, I'm fine with that. So wow, the difference though. So I found out the trick how to take these rubber boot out from the car was I stick a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver in there, and of course that makes the hole bigger. That's what she said. Yeah, so that makes the hole bigger, so it'll be easier to take it out. So I mean, that's the trick that I did here. The next step is remove these rubber boot, the exhaust rubber boot out, and put it up on the spoon and one exhaust here. Oh boy, can't wait for this. I hope this will be easy, but I'm assuming not. Yeah, that's gonna be hard. Right, so I'm literally sticking my flathead in there. Try it out. Take two, come on. Almost got it. There you go. There you go. God damn, that's on there. There you go. Alright, so this kind of sagging, but I think this should work out. I think this should be fine. Should do it. Just like that. Just like that. Wow. And I just need to put the bolts in. That's it. Wow. Pretty much putting everything back together right now. Alright. Slowly so it doesn't strip. In one, that's two, in, done. Alright, so that's what it looks like on this side and other side. That's what it looks like. And yep, all bolted down, everything is done. Wow, complete, baby. You guys can see that spoon logo right there? Right there. Spoon badge. Wow. That's how tiny the exhaust is. Wow. That's crazy, man. Look at that. Oh boy. Cannot believe it, man. Here we go. Start up, baby. There you go. Start up. I'm so excited. Sounds much meaner. Oh my god, that sounds much meaner. I really don't want to piss neighbor off, but this sounds amazing. That sounds way better. Oh my god. Alright, I'm done. That sounds way better for sure. Oh my god. I hope I didn't piss any neighbors off, but I mean, it's not that too loud, so I guess it's fine. But this exhaust mod should work on any RSX models. So if you have a RSX, dude, telling you, get the spoon and one exhaust. I know it's a little bit pricey maybe for some of you guys, but wow, it just sounds A1, man. Well, if you guys enjoyed today's video, please, I mean, you guys have to hit the thumbs up button for sure, man. I mean, come on, you guys have to. So if you guys enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Other than that, if you're subscribed to my channel, you already know what's coming. Peace out and stay thirsty, my friends. Garbage versus not garbage.